Hey guys, so today we're looking at how to get that background in this video. So let's get into the video. Okay, so we're looking at how to make that background. Now, I actually haven't used this background that much in my video, so I would really like to use that background more. But personally, I just don't do enough talking like this where I'm not showing a product or something like that. But in this video, I want to explain the process of making a background like that. So as you can see, it's pretty much just shelves with a dark background behind the shelves, all these different products on the shelves, and then lights. So let's get into it. First step is the shelf. So I actually made that shelf. You might be like, what? Yeah, so literally I made my background. That background I made. I work with wood. I do quite a bit of woodworking. We have a shop here at my house, and I decided, you know what, I just want to make my own shelf. So I stained the back panels, I screwed, I stapled all the boards together, got them cut, got them finished, brought them in here, and then I installed these rope lights, which actually just kind of stick down. You can buy them. They're, between 30 and 50 bucks on Amazon. I'll have a couple links in the description. Pretty much you just stick those lights down. You pick which color. I put it all the way back there. With this guy right here, you can literally change the color. Now you can see green, red, white. That's not really called white. You can do multicolored ones, I mean everything, but blue is the one that I like to stick with. Now, there's a lot of YouTubers that they like a background that is really light colored. So if that's a light gray, a light blue, a light anything, a light white, just like a white background. But honestly, I like a darker background better, and you can see the subject. It's clearer as long as it's not too busy, okay? So you can see my background, it's not super busy. If there were a ton of different colors, a ton of different big objects, shadows, then it would be kind of hard to see. Once I put myself in front of the background, it's honestly not too much distracting. Now this one is a little bit, I would like to get a little bit of a blurrier background. I just don't have that depth of field in my room. I can't push my camera back anymore. So this is really the blurriest it could get. If you want, of course, to get that background where it's not quite as busy, you can get a blurrier background by pushing your camera back, zooming in your lens, pushing your camera back. That's how that's gonna work. But honestly, right now, I just wanted to show you guys the shelves, so I'm not gonna do too much more blurry, but it does look better when it's blurrier background. So then I just pretty much picked objects. I picked some of my tech objects. You can see over here, I actually have an Elon Musk book right there, which he's into tech. He makes Tesla, SpaceX, tech stuff. I have a YouTube logo there. I got some product boxes at the top, helicopters, a lot of just really cool different stuff that kind of sticks with my YouTube channel. So I just found some of those, stuck those up there. I turned the lights to what I wanted. Again, if you guys don't have money to spend, then just find a piece of furniture. Find some shelves, even just like, here, I'll show you some of my videos. If you've seen some of my older videos, I do a lot of videos downstairs, and I just have a plain wood background, okay? So just grab a piece of wood, find a blank wall. But for the best videos, you'd like to have something in the background instead of just some black or some blue wall. You want to kind of give it some depth of field, some better looking background than just a blank thing. You're going to catch people's attention better. Now this might be a little busy for some people. I probably haven't filmed up here as much as I would want to, maybe because it's a little bit busier. It's also in my room, so I don't have quite as much room to put my lights, my mics, all that type of stuff in here versus downstairs where I do most of my shooting. But hopefully I'm going to be doing some more up here. Let me know what you think. Again, this is an easy setup. It wasn't so easy for me because I actually made those shelves from scratch, pieces of wood in the shop. But again, you can just buy some shelves, put down your rope lights, pick your color that matches your channel because you want it to match your channel. feels like your channel. I also have a side light here, which is blue as well. So I kind of like that blue. Also, people like blue and I believe it's red better than like orange or green. It's easier to see. It's more tech related as well. Honestly, stick with one color and kind of hone it down to what you like. Now, a lot of people just blast with lights. Don't do that either. You want to get these shadows. So I have a blue light on this side, which is fairly dim. I have another brighter light over here along with my window. Natural lighting is really, you want to have natural lighting. So if you can do it next to window, do it next to window. And then I also have a small little battery powered light above the camera as well, just to give a little bit more light. Now, honestly, you could do any background. I mean, it's up to you. Figure out what looks best. Ask people as well. I mean, let me know if you don't like this background. But honestly, I think it's a cool background. I'm kind of at a weird angle now because I wanted to show the background. Usually I would be more centered, the camera would be a little bit closer. I just dropped something. And it might look a little bit better, but I wanted to show you the background. So hopefully you guys like this video. Also, there is a new change coming to this channel. So you may have noticed if you're a subscriber or you've seen a lot of my videos, I post some cinematography videos. I love cinematography and filming, making short films. You probably have seen quite a few of them on this channel. But this is a tech channel. I mean, you're probably asking yourself, okay, why is he posting some random videos on a tech channel? Well, I'm done doing that. I am just posting 100% tech videos on this channel. So if that's tech reviews, unboxing, product how-tos, you know, how to use a product, software, all that type of stuff is happening on this channel. No more random videos. All of those random videos are now going to a new channel called Oliver Covey, which is my name, and I figured that's perfect. I'll be posting some behind the scenes, probably of these videos, and also my cinematography and all that type of videos are going to that channel. So go subscribe to that channel if you like that type of stuff. The link will be down in the description, and again, that channel name is Oliver Covey, C-O-V-E-Y. So hopefully I'll see you guys back in another video. Have a great day and stay safe with COVID-19 going around. Ugh, it's crazy. Also, P.S. Last video, little take here. Subscribe, check out that video. But I wanted to ask, leave a comment if you think there's a video you want me to make, either on a product, about a subject, a how-to. Leave a comment because I'm trying to find videos and I want to make sure you guys get what you want instead of me just being like, oh, I want to do this random video and this video. So leave a comment and we'll see you back in another video.